Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Wake&Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can log into your Cloud Payrolls account. Keep watching the video till the end. To log into your Cloud Payrolls account, firstly go ahead and launch open your Google search. On the search box at the top, type in www.cloudpayroll.com.au and make a search. The official page of Cloud Payrolls account will appear on the screen. Click on Login option at the top right corner of the page. On the next page, enter your username and password associated with your Cloud Payrolls account and tap on Login. In case if you don't remember your password, click on Forgot Password option. This is how you can log into your Cloud Payrolls account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.